I was planning on doing this with this new folder, and now I ended up changing the background, sorry, the icon of my iTunes. Yo, what's up guys, Clinton here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually um change the icon on a particular folder of yours. It could be a folder, or it could be for instance, this is a software, iTunes. It works for everything, but I'm going to make use of a new folder since it's all the same. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to get your image ready, and for you to go about that, so this video was actually requested from one of my subscribers. For you to go about this, you need to go to Canva. I'm using a Canva Pro version, but I will show you how to go about this whole thing if you're not a pro subscriber. First of all, go to create a design. Everyone that has a Canva can do this, and custom size, and you have to make use of 256 by 256. I think you can actually go up to 500 by 500, but let's start with the minimum. So we're just going to go ahead and click on that. In your case, you have to just go ahead and input yours here, the width 256 and then the height 256. Okay, so from here now we have this square shape. All you'll be needing now is your image. Okay, so in my case, I'm just gonna use I'm just gonna pick an image from what I have here already. Okay, how about we use this one that says Netflix? Okay, let's go ahead and use this. And from here we have to actually edit the image, remove the background. You know, if you're using a free Canva, you can actually use this software here. Sorry, you can use this website here to remove the background from your image for free, absolutely free. Okay, so in my case, I can actually remove the background from directly from my Canva. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on background remover, and it's gonna run. It's gonna run. Okay, so right now we have this stuff here, Netflix. The next thing you have to do is to hit apply and right click just inside this image here. When you're inside here, you have to right click and set the image as the background. Okay, that's too much. So we have to actually, if you set yours as the background and some text that doesn't show, you have to like detach the image from your background and just manually hold on your Alt key while your mouse icon should be at the edge. Once it shows purple, just hold your Alt and click on your mouse and just gradually, increase this until it fits without any text missing out. Okay, we can go all the way to this point. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right, so the next thing we'll have to do here right now is to increase the saturation, edit the image, click here that says adjust, select all. And the first thing you need to increase is the saturation, keep it on 100. And the clarity, let's see, it looks good on 100. Okay, the next thing you can toggle here is the contrast. Looks good on 100 too. So the tint, let's see which one goes. I'll rather just leave it on 100. Okay, just play around this whole thing. This doesn't really matter. It's just to make our image to like give it that pop effect, so it's popping, All right, so the next thing I'll have to do right now is just to click out. We've gotten what we want. So I have to just go ahead right now and just export this, click on share and click on download. Mind you, if you're using the Canva free version, just go ahead and download it. Make sure it's on PNG, just download it. But if you're using the pro version, you have the option to remove the background. You need to make sure the background is transparent. And I'm going to show you guys, for those of you that are using the free version of Canva, just download this image and take it to the remove background here, and it's going to remove the background for you for free. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and just check on transparent backgrounds. Don't increase the size of this, just download it just like that. So once it's downloaded, we will go over to a folder that needs a new icon. Okay, I'm just going to save this on download. Make sure you know where you're saving your file to. Okay, after you're done downloading your image, and for those of you using the free Canva, after you're done downloading your image from your Canva and bringing it to this website to remove the background and saving up your file, the next thing you need to do right now is to take your file that has a transparent background to this website here. I will be dropping the link in the description, and you have to go ahead and just check on 256 pixels, and then you have to uncheck this tree here and leave this on 32 bits, and then click on convert. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Choose your file. You can see from here, this is our file that has no background. It's a PNG file. Click on it, and then just go ahead and convert it. You can see it's going to show us the file extension is .ico. That's an icon. Save it up. Let's check. Okay, now you can see our file here. Okay, so after we're done downloading the file from the ICO converter, where all you need to right now is just to change the icon of the software or folder that you want to try out. Let's go ahead and try this iTunes. Let's see if we can actually, get the stuff out of there. Okay, I'm just gonna right click on that, click on properties, go over to, okay, it's my first time, I'm not, okay, come over here, click on change icon. I think this will work. Then go over to here that says browse, and from our download where we have our .ico file downloaded, just click on it, and you can see here it just shows Netflix, and just go ahead and click on OK. Click on apply and click on continue, and then click on OK. That's it. You can see, guys, now it's showing us Netflix is the icon, but it's actually iTunes. If I open this up right now, it opens up as a normal application, but the icon is showing Netflix. Let's see if we can actually change that name from iTunes to something different. Okay, this is just a little bit experiment. When you right click on properties, and then okay, here it says iTunes. Wow, that's good. We can actually edit the name and go ahead. Oh, I think we can do anything. All right, I think we can't edit that name. Okay, I don't think we can do anything to that, but let's try something else. Open the file location. From here, it says iTunes.exe. Right click on that, and we can rename it, of course, and then rename. Yeah, so from here right now, you can actually just rename that from iTunes to Netflix, and anyone that comes to your computer is just going to be confused because they don't know what software that is. It's just crazy, right? Okay, that's good. So that's basically everything you need to know. I was planning on doing this with this new folder, and now I ended up changing the background, sorry, the icon of my iTunes. How interesting is that, guys? Okay, see you guys in the next one. Peace out. All right, guys, so that is basically everything you need to know about this tutorial here. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like for the YouTube algorithm. I really do appreciate that so much, and you can also consider subscribing to the channel. Have a great day, guys. See you guys on the next one.